What, sweetie?
Mama.
Oh, you want me to open it? Okay. What are you doing in there? You the boat captain?
Mama.
Whoa, Maria. Whoa, sweetie. Folks, I didn't get this whole video, but I made a chicken curry dish tonight. And I'm going to tell you right now, that is going to be absolutely delicious. I put a little bit too much water. That's why I'm just letting it reduce down a little bit. I already gave wife number one a taste tester, and she is intrigued. She said it tastes delicious, but I just gave her a little taste of the sauce. I should have got this on video because this is a great dish. Everybody says I always cook the same thing. Well, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. There's some mope. But this chicken curry with a coconut, it's got coconut milk in it, curry, my spices, a little bit of brown sugar. Honey, I know you're hungry. Okay, it needs about 3 minutes to cool. What I want you to do is scoop your rice onto the dog bowls, get everything ready, and when I finish my cigar, I'm gonna scoop the deliciousness onto your rice. Stress I'm under. All right, let's be honest. How is my chicken curry tonight?
Delicious.
You don't gotta lie, baby. Just be honest. I mean, I know it's Forrest G approved. That dude went to town even when it was a little too hot. He couldn't wait. He smelled that. He said, "My goodness." What's it taste like, baby? Give us a description of my deliciousness here.
It's a bit so and a bit salty and a bit sweet.
Okay, that's what I wanted. A little bit sweet. A little rice on there. A little more rice. She's getting the rice to curry ratio proper.
Give me water, baby.
I told you I'm not a waiter, baby. I'm the chef. I'm over here visiting your table. I'll have no problem. I'm gonna have my waiter. I'm gonna have my waitress come right over. All right, enjoy. Excuse me, waitress. You see how spoiled she is? I brought her some water. She said no, out of the bottle. It's not cold enough. I'm sorry. Give that to Forrest G. I'll come over here. Rare treat for you refrigerator peepers. Oh Lord, there's been a lot of consumption in the torpedo room. Oh, she wants a bottle of water. Somebody already drank some. Baby, make sure you leave a tip. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Got a runaway ladder here. Shit, what can I do? Cut it down. Oh, this somebody's off gassing. Shut. I gave you $2 for 500 of these some bitches. Gotta make sure this thing, yeah, it's still off gassing. Okay, I think I got a problem worked out. It's to do with the spring because I've left it out here in the monsoon rains for like 2 months. It's got a little rust on it. Even being left out in the monsoon rain, does the flashlights work? Oh shit, that's hot. Got a problem with the switch on this dude here. The only one that'll light a cigar. The flashlight is out. These that don't work, flashlights work. That shit's made in America. Both the lighter and the flashlight would have worked, but we're too lazy. The fuck's my cigar? Ah, right here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Let's go. Quit fighting with Bubba over there, man. A little peace here in the kingdom. Eat the bugs, mind your own business. Alright folks, it's going to be an unboxing video on this bottle of Don Papa Rum. Now I've talked about Don Papa before. It's a rum that's distilled here locally in the Philippines. Great tasting rum. I mean, all them other cheap rums, I mean, if you're just into drinking cheap or what have you, you know, back when I was boozing it up on the cheap all the time, I drink that Tanduay, a lot of those flavored rums. They're really very similar to Malibu. I don't drink that cheap stuff anymore. I'm not in the village down there, the $28 beach condo. I'll step it up a bit. So I'm just going to do an unboxing on this. And I'll give you a disclaimer right off the bat. I drank some. Now, when I saw this is not the typical bottle. Now, I don't know all the different versions of Don Papa. I'm not an expert on Don Papa. I just know that it tastes delicious. And like I said, it's locally locally distilled. It's a product of the Philippines. But I saw this and I had to scoop this up. This is Don Papa Mascara. Or is it Mascaras? I don't know. Bleeding Heart Rum Company. And what's it say? Infused with local honey, calamansi, which is the small limes, and siling labuyo. And I'll tell you what, this is a great taste, beautiful label. The artwork on this is absolutely outstanding. Now, I really enjoyed this bottle. I picked it up a few days ago, and it was absolutely delicious. It really was. It's a little bit different taste than the regular Don Papa. And this is smooth. This is what I want to say. Okay, sometimes I pick up a bottle of liquor, and, you know, it'll get me in the mood, ready to party, bring out the creativeness, the creative side of me very quickly. Folks, this right here did not do that to me. This was a smooth tasting rum, which that's what Don Papa is. I mean, I can go out and I can drink Don Papa, okay, aged in oak. Shit, I can't even read that. Let me try to zoom in here so I can read it. Okay, small batch Philippine rum infused with, okay, there you go, local honey, calamansi, and siling labuyo. I drank this, I don't know, like I said, over a period of a few days. It would not get me too buzzed. It's just a smooth drink. I think I could probably drink this whole damn bottle here and, you know, not go out and get too crazy. So there you go. But I just thought I'd do an unboxing video on this. I was planning on doing it. And that's 40% alcohol by volume. But again, it's just smooth. The spirit of Don Papa lives on in us all. Folks, this is too small for me to read. Y'all just have to somehow or another read it, translate it. But there you go. That's my unboxing of this bottle of Don Papa rum. Again, I drank some. Ooh, there's a little taster in there. I might have to get after that taster. I'll try to pick up another bottle so you can see the consistency and, you know, what it looks like. But I like Don Papa. It's a great quality rum distilled here in the Philippines. I can't remember exactly what the cost was. It's not cheap. This bottle was, I think, 12.50 pesos. What are we talking here? About $25, $26 for this. And they've got one that's, I think it's aged for 10 years, and it's maybe $2,500, about $50, I think. Again, I'm not an expert. But there you go. There's my unboxing and review of this Don Papa. What the hell? Hey, man. Coming over here. Folks, I got frogs. I got lizards. Snails. I got roosters crowing, dogs barking. Look at that little dude. You know what? He's going after the Don Papa. But hey, man, you're late to the party, brother. It's already gone, man. The Maker's Mark, the Don Papa is already gone. Yeah, he took a look and he said, fuck it, I'm out of here. Neighbors next door got some red horse. That's better than nothing. Rasco departed here so fast, I had to check my damn beer and make sure he didn't jump in there before I took the last drink. All right, sayonara, Rasco. Folks, I want to thank you for this. Damn, sound like I was finna say a prayer. Let me start that over. I want to thank you for joining me on this little hodgepodge, just chilling in the backyard under the guava tree video. It's been a beautiful day with some sunshine here in the Philippines. It did rain all night last night, but today it was beautiful. Hopefully the typhoon is already raked across Taiwan and over there, raining down on those Xi Jinping's big fat head, because he owes me like $21 million. But it's been a great day for me. But I got to go eat my curry. I want to thank you for joining me. Bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you are not a subscriber here on the Overstay Road, I want you to smash that Overstay Road sign and then ring that bell like mother Rocky. Yo, Adrian, it's me, Rocky. All my lights came on. Life is good. Out of like 12 of them. All right, I'm out of here. See y'all on the next one. Peace out. That's some kind of delicious, but I should have put a little bit more curry powder. Next time, I got to go all out on the curry powder. Could have used the rest of that packet, but delicious.